When you are stitching letters that have varying widths, there's several different ways that you can handle that. And I'm going to show you how I did these letters using the back stitch. So I used a 6 strand of this gray, and basically I start just stitching along the edge of the letters. And then when I get to the areas that are a little bit thicker, I'll do a second layer of the back stitch right next to it. And so the key is to really line these up carefully, and that will give you a nice smooth look. So for most of this particular pattern, I have used either 2 widths of the back stitch or 3 in some places, as you can see here. And I just go ahead and stitch around the edge of one, and then I'll kind of go back if the letter is a little bit thicker in certain areas. Right here in the W, I actually used 4, and I did in parts of the K as well. But you can really go around and you can handle that whether it is a script font like this, or something more like this, but maybe just has thicker sections. And that's a really easy way to kind of outline your letters. And it has such a pretty result at the end.